Hi everybody, hi everybody. Wish you happy. And this is the I think I have no word how to admire by International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March around the world. It is a focal point in the movement for the women's right. International Women's Day observed by the worldwide and types international significance and civil surveillance day, women and girls day, anti-sexism day, anti-discrimination day. Date 8 March and next times 8 March 2021 and frequency annuals related to the International Men's Day, Russian Revolution's Children's Day and International Workers' Day. After the Socialist Party of the American Women's Day in New York City on 28 February 1909. German delegates and Clara Zetkin Second and date and other populace stated the 1910s International Socialism Movement Conference that is a special Women's Day we organized annually. After women gained support in the social since 1917, March it becomes a national holiday there and they as theirs and prominently celebrated by the socialist movement and the communist countries until he was adopted by the feminist movement in about 1967. The United Nations began celebrating the day in 1977, commemorating it of the International Women's Day today. Regulation from the being republic holiday in some countries to being language enrolled elsewhere. In some places it will be day or the protest, the other in the day and the celebrated movement. History. We are going to on out history. Women's demonstration for the bread and peace 8 March 1917, Portugal and Russia and also Clara Justin Rosa, Lakshmi in January 10, 1910, and the Soviet posted stamps and Britain's posted for the Women's Day, March 1974. And I have most remember, so that's the earliest Women's Day observes and called National Women's Day was held on the February 28, 1999 in New York City, organized by the Socialist Party of America. At the suggestion of the activity there, the McKeel, and there have been the claims that the day was the commemorating the purport by the women government board in New York and on March 8, 1857, but researchers Candler and Fitch have described this as native and created to the day's International Women's Day from its social history in the order to give it more international organ. In August 1910, an international socialism women's conference was organized to the preface to the journals meeting of the Socialism Social International Declaration Denmark and inspired the party by the American Socialism German Clark Justin Killer Token and Pluratant and other posts by the estimate and annual Women's Day, also noted by the speaking at the frequency and like a 100 women from the 17 countries agreed with this idea as secret further to promote equal right including especially for women. The following year on 19 March 1911, International Women's Day was marked for the first time by the over million people in Australia, Denmark, Germany, and Switzerland. In the Austro-Hungarian Empire, along there was 300 demonstrators, and in Vienna, women parted on this recognition and the curtain women hearing the majority of the Paris Convention. Women demanded to be given this right to be vote or to hold public office. They also protested against employed sex demonetization. The American continued to celebrate National Women's Day on the last Sunday in February. In 1913, Russian women observed this first International Women's Day on the last Saturday in February by the Julian's calendar. They used to Russia. In 1914, International Women's Day was held on March 18 in Germany, possibly because that day was a Sunday, and now it is always held on March 8 in all countries. The 1914 observes of this day in the Germans was dedicated to the women's right to vote, which German women did not win until 1918. In London, there was a march from Bow to Triangulation Square to support women's suffered for the March 8, 1914 activity. Sylvia Plunkett was arrested in front of chair in Cross Station on her way to speak to the regular Square on 8 March 1917 on the uh, German's calendar in 90 capital of the Russian's employer. Petro women textile workers began a demonstration covering the whole city. This marked the beginning of the February revolutions, which elonged the October revolution made the Russian requisition. So, and women in starting protest went on to strike that day for the bread and trade, demanding the end of the world war with the end of two Russian food shortages and the end of scarcity. Revolution leaders leading directly vote 23 February 8 March of International Women's Day on meeting and actions were prison. But we didn't not imagine that with the Women's Day would encourage the revelation actions were proceeded, but without a date. But in the morning, despite the order to the country, taxi workers left their work in several factories and sent degree to ask for the support for the strike union, which led to mass strike. All went on into the states, and 7 days later, then the sofa. And right now, the following the outversion revelation, this broadcasting and Women's Day declared the non-working day in the USA in commemoration of the all countries so far. And after the official adoptions in the Soviet and Russia following the revolution in 1917, I many times, so guys, I struck right now. So the yearly commemoration, if you can check it, so on the occasion 2010 International Women's Day, the international commemoration of the Red Cross ICRAC, you know, so far. And the many I have information for the regarding to the internationals around the world. If you can see the day and the officials we have remember, so I love and support and further love, and you can say the very many and many happy returns of the day, international day, and salute you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. And this is my Shiral Yadav. I'm giving the lecture about the good, and I have no word how to admire and love and supporting. Keep smiling. Bye bye. Take care. Shiv Nara. Jai Hind दोस्तों.